Hey guys, in this video we will begin with the source, the power of happy thoughts. So quest for love, joy and peace, where it can be found. There was Sufi mystic called Rabia. She was renowned for her deep insights on human life, okay, and divinity. One evening she was searching for something on the street outside her hut. The sun was setting and it was getting dark as few people gathered around her. What are you searching for? Perhaps we can help you, they told Rabia. Rabia said, I have lost my needle. One amongst the people said, the sun is setting and it will be very difficult to find the needle in the dark. If you tell us where it had fallen, it will be easier to find it. Rabia told them, actually, it has not fallen in this road, it has fallen inside my house. Everyone started laughing. Then one of them said, if the needle has fallen inside your house, then why are you searching here on the road? Rabia replied, there is no light inside the house. There is still some light, so I thought of searching here. Somebody said, even if there is light, how can we find the needle here if it has not been lost here? It makes sense is bringing light inside your house so that you can find the needle. Rabia laughed indeed. This common sense prevails for trivial matters in outside world. When you are going to apply this common sense to your inner life, you crave for love from people, you earn from happiness and pleasure of the senses, make you seek peace by changing your surroundings. Does it making searching outside all your life when it has been lost within you? Like the needle was not lost inside. The needle was lost inside, but we were searching, she was searching outside. And the same when we are happiness is the inside. Why we are searching is outside. Rabia returned home leaving the people awestruck. Love, happiness, and peace have always been present within each of us. It's just we seldom notice and experience them. When people lose the experience of true happiness within them, their pursuit turns outward in the material world. Satisfaction in external pursuits is instant but temporary. The home consumer products industry exploits this human condition to their advantage. They sell the products that don't really need by convincing them it will enhance their sense of fulfillment. For example, if you see this particular bath soap, you will appear more beautiful, happy, and lively. They set standards for beauty by portraying celebrities who vouch their products. Indirectly, they create fixation in people's mind about what will give them greater fulfillment. Use a particular brand of clothes and you will stand out in the crowd. Thus, our true identity is invested in brands. Love, happiness, and peace, which are qualities of who truly we are within, are invested in things of outside world. Trying to find out true fulfillment in external things doesn't work. In the insatiable quest to a mass of more and better comforts, people lose their values for true love, bliss, and peace. It leaves them hungry for more, and so they remain dissatisfied all the time. It is like trying to catch the head of your own shadow. It always eludes you, catch the hold of your head itself, and shadow is automatically caught. When you seek true love, happiness, and peace within, you discover that their source is within you. What are you seeking outside is like a shadow. It can never give lasting fulfillment. Your outer world only reflects your inner world. When you connect to the source of life within and abide in its experience, your life automatically reflects it through the expression of love, bliss, and peace in the external world.